It's one thing to test our technology right here at our facility in Richmond, California. If something goes wrong, we've got our machine shop, we've got our people here, we've got spare parts, pretty easy. Deploying out to the field with 3 or 4 trailers and the crew, and stuff goes wrong, particularly when you're doing something that's never been done by anybody in the world before.
We move fast here at EarthGrid. We're a really small, nimble team. I lead our ops org, so that includes our field operating team. With about 3 weeks notice, we were able to fabricate the last remaining pieces on our new torch mount, which allows independent hydraulic control of our 2-torch PES, that's the Plasma Excavation System. We've got a great team. Chad, who's my director of logistics, is out there every day with the crew. If you give him a really hard problem, he will solve it. Has the guys up at 5, 6 a.m. every day setting up cables and hoses to avoid the heat of Raymond. It's about 100, 110 degrees some afternoons.
We actually looked at over 100 potential sites to do demonstrations, and it's hard to find a site, especially in California, where permitting is challenging and different things like that. But we wanted really hard rock. Granite is some of the hardest rock out there.
Raymond is some of the hardest granite that you can get. So we've been testing on boulders from Raymond Quarry over the past few years, and finally had an opportunity to actually test on their site. I like to call it the world's largest granite countertop, but literally it's just granite right there on the floor. Raymond is in the middle of nowhere, truly. It's about an hour and 15 minutes from the Fresno airport. The main attraction is Yosemite National Park is about 45 minutes away. The nearest town, Oakhurst, is definitely a national park gateway.
The team figured stuff out, they made some mistakes, they realized this or that didn't work the way we expected exactly, and they came up with solutions on the spot, and within days, I think 20-something hours of torching time, we had a 30-meter long, 100-foot long trench. I was so impressed.
It's hard to imagine when you're here in our test site in our backyard, where we have our permanent test system set up and everything is ready to go, and you bring in a big boulder and you burn on a big boulder. That's great, it's exciting, but deploying to a remote site, setting up the whole system there, being able to visually see a giant trench cut out of solid hard granite where you can't even jackhammer through it. I think that spoke volumes, I think both to the attendees, our potential investors and customers, but also as well as our team.
The feedback I got was that, wow, is so much different than watching a video. You see the chips flying all over the place. It's hard to appreciate how powerful this technology is until you're actually there. You witness the ignition of the torches, you hear it, you feel it, you see it doing its thing, and it's so fast. That's what really impresses people.
Demo days are a really special opportunity just to see all the unique aspects that it takes to pull off a successful demo, right? We're throwing a huge party for a bunch of people from all over the world. We're also trying to do something that has never been done before, live in front of an audience.
Because thermal spallation or plasma excavation trenching hasn't been done before, and everything that we do is a bit of a mixture of R&D and product. In terms of meeting the expectations, I think we surpassed it, achieving the depth, the width, the speed.
It's really important for us to develop that real-world operating muscle, and I'm really proud to say that we're bringing PES to the world. We're actually shipping it across an ocean right now.
PES can unlock projects that are stuck because it's hard rock and contractors are walking off the job site. So PES is better than anything else on the market in hard rock because the only solutions that work in hard rock really are drill and blast. But drill and blast is not allowed in a lot of areas. So if there's homes or buildings or structures nearby, then there's really no good solution. Hammer drills, rock saws, and those kinds of things, they get beat up, they take way too long, they're very expensive, very slow. So PES is really gonna shine in those opportunities.
This thing's ready to go. Let us show you. Let us destroy rock. Let us unblock that project. Let us take care of your hardest, rockiest challenges. That brings me a huge amount of pride.